You want to do experiment? What is your name, Bittu?
My name is Namisha Arora.
Your name is Navisha Arora. Okay, take the sponge. What you need to do is, you need to put the sponge in water. Okay, dip that in water first, carefully. And yes, dip it carefully. And give me a moment. Yeah. Then you would be needing to squeeze it. Squeeze this carefully. Yeah, dip it again in the water. Completely dip. Okay, very good. Take it out. Squeeze it in the other bowl. Can you see the water coming? Do it again. Very good. Squeeze again. Yeah, dip completely. Okay. In other bowl, squeeze completely with both hands. You can use both hands so that you can squeeze tight. For squeezing, because the sponge is big and your hands are small, so both hands. Very good. Very good. Awesome. Do it again. Once more. Yes, it's okay. Put it in the other bowl. Very good. Can you see so much water coming up? Do it again. One last time. Squeeze. Enough. Now put the sponge in the plate. And you know why the water was there in this bowl? You see, in this bowl you have so much water. Earlier it was empty. Wait. Okay. So how did water come in this one? Because when you were dipping the sponge in water, sponge have pores. You can see the pores are filling up with the water. When you take this out, you see that water is coming out of a sponge. And when you squeeze, all the pores get squeezed and we get water in the other bowl. Okay? Now empty this bowl in the other bowl again. We will do one more time with different sponge. Carefully, very carefully. Should I help? Which bowl is empty now? This one. Hi Navisha. Welcome back. Hi. Let's continue. Okay. Okay. This time we will do with a different sponge. Take it. Can you hold it in your hand? It's so big. No. Keep it fold. Like this. Hold it in both hands. Okay. Dip it in the water completely. Yeah, it's big. It's okay. Water coming out, it's okay. Don't worry of the mess. Yeah. Squeeze. Very good. Again. Very good. Squeeze in the other bowl. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Don't wait. Yeah.
Daddy is
Okay. All the water is in the sponge. Okay. Put it quickly. Yeah. Squeeze. Squeeze tight. Yes. Okay, enough. Squeeze it in the other bowl. Now you see, in the other bowl the water level is increasing. You have so much water in this bowl. And in the first bowl, see the water? It's very less. Okay, we are done with the experiment. Say bye.